right, now let's go back to visiting our Tai Chi stance. And I want you to be back on the beach with me. We're standing on the sand, and it's so soft, and your feet are just melting into that sand. You can feel the space under the arches of your feet. Relaxing your lower body, sitting down. Really feel like you've got a stool, and you're sitting down on that stool. And then let's place our arms in front of us. Curl your fingers, your pinkies towards you a little bit. And now really put your mind in the space between the palms of your hands. That's very nice. And now the space inside your dantian. And let's go ahead and do some qi cleansing since the qi is quite strong here. So your outside hand is going to float up along the midline of your body, and the lower hand is going to stay anchored to the dantian. And we're dividing into yin and yang, or yin-yang, which is still oneness. It's just a difference in expression. Feel the energy. The hand is just being moved up along the midline from your own energy. And then where your fingers are pointing, turn your head to that shoulder. Nice. Woo boy. And bring that hand over to your shoulder. Do not touch your body, but you can get quite close. Your shoulder lifts just a little bit to receive the energy. And then they begin brushing the energy down your arm. And make sure that that arm is receiving it. It's lifting up. So it's not just staying stagnant. There's always movement. It's still moving up. Nice. Across your wrist bends up a little bit. Then your knuckles float up to meet it. Your fingers. And then send out all that heavy qi. And let's come back together and put the other hand in front. Gathering that energy between the palms of your hands and connecting it with your dantian. And now let's float the other hand up along midline. Feel the polarity there between the two hands. One's sinking, one's floating. Turn towards the shoulder. Bringing the hand over to your shoulder. Send it that energy into the shoulder. Brush it down. Feel it move into the forearm. And your arm starts to lift a little bit. Down. And then to your wrist. Your knuckles. And brush away. And now we'll expand all of that energy all around you. Feel that ball, that qi ball. Every molecule in the ball is expanding. And now your body is also expanding from the very center of your body outward. Nice. And now the space between your arms expands and opens. And let that qi flow into your mind for peacefulness, and then into your heart for elevated emotions, and into your body for strength and immunity. And another expanding all around you. Feel your body and how it's occupying the space, and now let that space expand, and it lifts your arms. The space under your feet is lifting, inflating. Your shoulders are heavy. And as you open up, feel the energy of the universe and let it flow into your mind for peace and well-being, and into your heart for for love and joy, and into your body for strength and immunity. We gather the chi and we join it together as we've joined together today, in strength and friendship, and we bow down in humility. And bring that into our hearts and expand our heart. And I feel great gratitude. And let's place that into our dantian. And just enjoy that nice, peaceful feeling and know that you can access that anytime.